Hello, Facebook family and friends. This is Cabrera coming to you live from Manassas, Virginia, in this cold winter, snowy day. We got snow here in Virginia. So I was thinking about what are some of the concepts that have changed my life, especially when I started getting older and closer to retirement. I started looking at ways of making money, and and getting exposure to online and working online and all these concepts about these young guys, 20s and 30-year-olds making millions of dollars, and they were talking about these basic three concepts that could change your life. The first one is residual income. How do you do something for one time and make money constantly after that? It's like they're like royalties. When you're a singer and you make a song and they play your song, you get royalties every time they play it. If you're an actor, and you are in a particular movie or a series, every time they play that series, you get royalties. They give you money back. So you did the job one time and you make money throughout all the time. Same thing for book writing. You write a book one time, and then as it becomes more and more famous, you get royalties coming back to you. So at that time, unless we were into those fields, you couldn't make a residual income. But the ability to make a residual income online is now been amplified tenfold. And so that brings me to the leveraging yourself. Now, most parents would love to kind of clone themselves so they can have 2 or 3 of themselves to really help the family and work and do things in the house. So how do you leverage yourself? If you go to work, you can only work 40 hours a week. Maybe, you could do more. You could do 60, you do overtime. You go to work, you do 40 hours, you get paid for 40 hours. There's no residual coming in after that. You're done. If you want extra money, extra time, you're done. So how do you get money from the work that you do and have leverage yourself so you have other people sort of working, not for you, but working with you, working as a unit, because they're earning for themselves and they're earning for you, and of course that's multi-level marketing or network marketing. Now most people say, oh, that's a pyramid. That's a pyramid. Of course it's a pyramid. Everything is a pyramid. So what? People get into this thing about it's a pyramid. There's a difference between a pyramid and a pyramid scheme. In a pyramid scheme, the person is not selling anything. He's the only one making money, and he's using other people's monies to pay you. And then he uses your money to pay someone else. So all he's doing is shifting money around. He's not creating, he's not earning, he's not making any money. That's a pyramid scheme, of course, and he's at the top of the pyramid, he's making all the money. But in a multi-level marketing situation, you're at the top of your own pyramid. You create your own downline, and they're helping you and you're helping them. So everything is a pyramid, but that's okay. Don't be afraid of pyramids. We live in every structure is a pyramid structure in terms of organization. So that's the second way of leveraging yourself. How do you leverage yourself so that now you have people working with you as a team to build their business and build your business? That's how you leverage yourself. That's the second concept. Now, the third concept is related to that, is about compounding. So in a way, when you leverage yourself, you're compounding yourself. You're building other people who are doing the same thing, and we're all working together towards the same goal. So I don't know if you heard the story of, what would you rather have? Let's say $1 million one time, or would you rather have 1 penny doubled every day for 31 days? Most people would pick $1 million. They figure, wow, $1 million right off the top. Boom, what's a penny? The first day you get 1 penny. The second day you earn 2 pennies, then 4, then 8, then 16. And that's going to take forever. But when you start looking at it, when you get to around the 18th day, you're now earning about $1,000. And then when you get, now $1,000 is not a big deal, but when you get to the 28th day, you're now earning $1 million. And that $1 million doubled and doubled again. By the time you get to the 31st day, you're earning over $10,737,000 in 31 days. If you double one penny, that is the power of compounding over and over and over again. You know, the power though is that you can't start compounding and then take money away. No, you got to let it compound. Towards the end is where it gets very powerful. Okay, so I mean, you can look it up. If you look it up on Google, it'll show you exactly every day how much money you make and stuff. So those three concepts, the first one of earning residual income, of creating a system that's going to get you monies without you, where you do the work one time and you get paid over and over and over again. The second concept of leveraging yourself, where you build a team of people all working towards the same goal. And the third concept of compounding. Those three concepts just changed my whole way of looking at how to make money, how to work, how to become an entrepreneur. All that was, I mean, that was my paradigm shift, because I always thought of dollars for hours. Go to work, make money, get paid. That's it. That's the way we were all brought up. You know, we're like worker bees. They just work. They work, you know, and they want more money. They work harder. They work longer. They put more time in, you know. But now we have the ability through online to be able to, again, leverage ourselves. We're able to compound ourselves. We're able to compound our income. That will change your life when you start realizing that these three simple concepts or these, you know, philosophies of life, if you start looking at them as philosophies, you will see that they can change your life. And now you just want to, you know, get a little deeper into it, learn more about it, get involved in a company that has a great product, that's going to multiply yourself, that you love to do. There are all kinds of ways to do this online, right, Cindy? So if you learn how to do this and you understand these three simple concepts and you start to apply them, your whole life will change. So that's my thing for today. I hope you have a great evening. Thank you for coming and watching. I appreciate your comments, your thumbs up, your little hearts and stuff. This is Edwin Cabrera signing off here in Manassas, Virginia.